Well, look at there. I got my lawn Serv package in the mail today. They send you a soil sample kit. You mail it back to them free of charge. They test it. They send you the products you need. Let's see what we got here. Okay. There you go. There you go. That's all you have to do. You get a soil sample and mail it back to them. And inside here tells you exactly what to do to apply it to your lawn. Here's what we got. So here's what my yard looks like right now. This company has natural and almost natural. They sent me the almost natural. You can go to the website and check it out, see what I'm talking about. But besides having a broadcast spread stuff like I've got, you can also get something to go on your hose end sprayer. Go to myyardsize.com, type in your address. This isn't mine, this is just some random address I used. You're going to tap the screen and it's going to come up with, it's going to calculate your yard size. Mine came up to be 7,500 square feet, so they sent me the product for that. Okay, right here on the back of these instructions, it says that the Scotch edge guard, which is what this is, it's going to be on setting 4.5 right there. Some great instructions they put in here. Well, look how the path you're supposed to go and everything. Can't beat it, y'all. First, I've got this little area right over here that I'm going to take care of. Now we're going to get the side up here, the side of this yard. Now we're going to get the front of the yard. So the last thing I want to do is water the lawn and then wait for it to grow. This is a really good company, y'all. You can't beat what they did. They're going to send it to you. They're going to send you what you need every month. Y'all stay tuned for an upcoming video to show you what it looks like. So go down in the description of this video and check out the links. There'll be a link to this company. Feel free to use it. Go by and check out their website. There'll also be a link to the spreader on Amazon. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. You have a good one now, and you come back.